Hi, I'm Steve with Indian Creek Sports, and today I'm showing you the new Edge Glyde electric golf cart. It is gunmetal gray, and this is a completely street legal golf cart from the factory. All you need to do is get it registered and put a license plate on it. The sound system here is an Apple Play, Android capable, and an FM radio. The touchscreen in the dash here has a speedometer, odometer, power gauge, and a backup camera, and the USB ports. It's powered by a lithium battery on board, charger with it. The upholstery is premium leather. It does have adjustable headrests. And in the back here on the third seat, opens up to a cargo hauler and a removable cooler. It's got safety bars, seat belts, four-wheel disc brakes, 23-inch tires with a 6-inch lift kit, independent front suspension, and back leaf springs. It's got side mirrors, headlights, taillights, horn, and hazards. Again, this is totally street legal. Put a license plate on it and go to town. Come in and take a look at all of our Edge golf carts. This one here is selling for $11,995. We've got 4 different models, and we also carry the new e-bike Aventon. So come in and see our e-bikes and our electric golf carts. Thanks, and hope to see you soon.